had a chance to ask God any question and get the answer immediately, what would you ask him?
Can I be honest?
Yeah.
I don't think I would ask God a question. I would just give him thanks.
That's okay.
I used to ask why, but guess what why stands for? Who hurt you? Guess what it stands for again?
What?
Who helped you? Guess what it stands for again?
What?
What healed you? So then when you ask them questions, you find your purpose. So I feel like there's no reason to ask God why. God does things to build you, not kill you. So I don't think I would ask. I would just give God thanks if I had asked him a question.
Yeah.